Send this piece I really love. Happy birthday, man. Now, many of our Hawaiian.
Take the inner flap, twisting it several times, and carefully and gently bring it under and up, and tuck it in at the back. Ouch.
65, she's still alive and kicking it up in Kona, Hawaii. Aloha. Here I am squeaking the dang chair. Pretty amazing day, pretty amazing vacation, pretty amazing trip. The sights, the flowers, the birds, the plants, the people. I met some really sweet people, a lot of other tourists, and a lot of great, just the people from Kona. You know, I met 3 great ladies last night, all born and raised here, and they were just sweet as pie. And we had about an hour in the pool last night together to visit, and I learned a lot about them, and they learned my story. We'll see if they become subscribers. I've been meeting people down at the pool and telling them my story and telling them, hey, go to my YouTube channel and subscribe, because I need subscribers. You know, I just want to talk to people about stuff. So I just been chatting away with everybody that I meet the last few days. We had a lot of fun. We all had a lot of fun. Chris and I and Kathy and Pamela. Pamela Pistoles, I will always remember you, my friend. I don't know. I'm not drunk yet, just a little bit tipsy. So I can say whatever. I didn't go live because I got to admit to you guys, I've been really emotional. I mean, the last couple days, it's really hit me. My marriage is over. Sorry. So anyway, I've been like going through a really rough time the last couple days. I think I'm really tired, maybe. Maybe I'm just really tired. But it's really hit me that, yeah, it's over. So I guess the grieving process has started. I mean, I thought I was much far along. I thought I was further along. But I realized I'm just at that separation point where you really feel it. Really feel it. And so it's been a little hard. Shouldn't be crying on my birthday, but I had a drink. That's what's doing it. And I don't drink. And I'm trying to keep up with everybody. I'm trying to have some damn fun. I'm sorry, I got emotional there, but yeah. Who else can I tell but my buddies? Yeah. Okay. But I'm Debbie Garcia. I'm the badass baby boomer. I've lost 230 pounds. Who knows how much I've gained on this trip, but I've been running a lot in this heat, and I do not really think I've gained. I got 2 new knees. I did a year of physical therapy, and I got out of the wheelchair and no more walker or canes. So, pretty proud of myself for that. It's a big accomplishment. Yeah. And I just have a lot more accomplishments to go. And a lot more adventures. So, if you're interested, follow me. Subscribe to my channel. Join the revolution. Because a lot of us are in this same boat. We're all sharing our stories together, and there's so many wonderful people on this platform to follow that are on the weight loss journey. Oh my God, I just remembered it's shot night. Pause. I gotta go get my shot out of the fridge and take it. I'm back. Okay, guys, it is shot night, Wednesday night in Kona, Hawaii. My last shot night in Kona, Hawaii. My second one since I've been here. 15 milligrams. The Big Daddy. Pull out that pesky little base. Unlock it on top. We'll just give it in my arm. Sounded odd. Oh, that squeaking of the chair. Dang it. Anyway. So, since I cried on all your shoulders like I didn't want to, I'm just telling you, okay, this is a great adventure, and I'm so happy I got to have it, and there's so many great things gonna come up. And I definitely, after seeing all the pictures, loose skin surgery and new hips are my priorities for this baby boomer who turned 65 today. 65 and still alive. Oh my God. Look at, see? I am getting all that taken off. All of it. Yeah. So, yeah, I got a lot of things coming up that oh gosh, I'm even a little nervous about. Well, I'm really nervous about all that surgery. But it'll be okay. Everything's going to be okay. I got great things coming up. And, yeah, I'm going to share them all. I got tons of videos to share from Hawaii that, of course, I haven't got to post yet or edit together, but I will. And hopefully, I've got like 4 more days here. Flying home on Monday. And I'm going to enjoy these last 4 days like you never see. And now I have to leave really quick because I got to run down and catch a sunset. It's my last day in Hawaii. So of course I have to get the last sunset.